Here is another example on a problem that leads to simultaneous linear equation. This question says, the sum of the ages of Samuel and Victor is 42 years. 3 years ago, Samuel was 5 times as old as Victor. How old are they now? Solution. We have to give their ages a symbol or a variable that will help us solve it. So we say, let Samuel's age be X, and then Victor's age be Y. Now that we have this, we can then work with X and Y based on the information given in the question. So the first information is that the sum of their ages is 42 years. Therefore, we can say X plus Y equals 42. Now, the next information is that 3 years ago, Samuel was 5 times as old as Victor. So let's first find their age 3 years ago. So Samuel's age 3 years ago will be X minus 3. And then Victor's age 3 years ago will be Y minus 3. And the information says that Samuel was 5 times as old as Victor 3 years ago. Therefore, we now have it as X minus 3 equals 5 times as old as Y minus 3. So let's simplify this. We then have X minus 3 equals 5Y minus 15. Collecting like terms, we can then say X minus 5Y equals minus 15 plus 3. So X minus 5Y equals minus 12. Now let's put these two equations we have gotten side by side. So first we have X plus Y equals 42. And then we have X minus 5Y equals minus 12. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. To solve this simultaneously, I'm going to use the substitution method. So I will say from equation 1, X equals 42 minus Y. And then we call this equation 3. Then we substitute X equals 42 minus Y into equation 2. So anywhere we find X in equation 2, we'll replace it with 42 minus Y. Hence, our equation 2 is now 42 minus Y minus 5Y equals minus 12. Now if we collect like terms, we'll have minus Y minus 5Y equals minus 12 minus 42. Now, minus Y minus 5Y would give us minus 6Y. And this equals minus 12 minus 42, which is minus 60. So when we divide both sides by minus 6, our Y is therefore 10. So that is the age of Victor is 10. That is, Victor is 10 years old now. Now let's find the value of Samuel's age. So we substitute Y equals 10 into equation 3. So in equation 3, I will replace y with 10. So looking at equation 3, we have x equals 42 minus y. And our y is 10. Therefore, x equals 32. Therefore, Samuel is 32 years now, and Victor is 10 years now. And that is how we solve this problem. Thank you.